Hello, we are from Group J, and this is our presentation about local Malaysian foods produced through biotechnology. And these are all our group members.
Hello everyone, I'm Angelicia, and today I'm going to talk about tempeh, a traditional fermented food, an example of biotechnology in everyday life. So first, let's look at how tempeh is produced. Tempeh is made from soybeans. The soybeans are first cleaned, soaked, and cooked to soften them. After that, they are mixed with starter culture and left to ferment for about 1 to 2 days. During fermentation, the soybeans stick together and form a firm, compact cake. And this is how tempeh get its unique texture. Next, the living organism used for tempeh production is known as the Rhizopus species. This mold grows around the soybeans and binds them together. It also plays an important role in breaking down complex nutrients, making tempeh healthier and easier to digest. Next, let's talk about the benefits of tempeh for humans and the environment. So for humans, tempeh is very nutritious. It is rich in proteins, vitamins, and fiber, which are important for growth and digestion. Because it is fermented, tempeh is easier to digest compared to unfermented soybeans. For the environment, tempeh is considered eco-friendly because it is plant-based, which generally requires fewer resources and produces less environmental impact compared to animal-based foods. Lastly, why tempeh is considered as biotechnology? So tempeh is an application of biotechnology because it uses living organism, which is microorganism, in the fermentation process to improve the nutritional value, texture, and quality of the soybeans. This shows how biotechnology can be applied in food production to benefit both humans and the environment. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Nur Alia binti Tukimin, and next I will presenting about tapai, which is a traditional fermented drink that is very popular in East Malaysia. Tapai is produced by fermenting either rice or cassava using ragi. The fermentation process usually takes a few days. During this time, microorganisms break down the starch in the rice or cassava into simpler sugars. This process is what gives tapai its sweetness taste and slightly alcoholic flavor. The living organisms involved in producing tapai are mainly yeast and lactic acid bacteria. One of the most important microorganisms used is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. These yeast help convert sugars into alcohol and other compounds, while lactic acid bacteria contribute to the flavor and help preserve the food. Tapai provides several benefits for humans. It is a good source of energy because it contains sugars produced during the fermentation process. It can also help improve digestion as fermented food contain beneficial microorganisms. From an environmental point of view, tapai is made using simple traditional methods without the need for advanced technology or harmful chemicals. It also uses local ingredients, making it sustainable food product. Lastly, tapai is considered as one of the examples of biotechnology because it involves the use of living microorganisms to transform raw material into a new and improved product. Through fermentation, biotechnology helps improve the taste, nutritional value, and shelf life of the food. In conclusion, tapai shows how biotechnology has been used traditionally for a long time to produce products.
Let's talk about tempoyak. There are many types of tempoyak, but for now, let's talk about tempoyak durian. First, let's talk about how is it produced. Well, tempoyak is made by fermenting overripe durian pulp with salt in an airtight container for a few days. Natural fermentation gives tempoyak its sour taste and also its strong smell. To make tempoyak, it also involves a living organism. But the question is, what are the living organisms used to make tempoyak? Well, the main microorganisms used are lactic acid bacteria such as Lactobacillus plantarum and also Ricella paramescenthyroides. Not only that, tempoyak durian also beneficial for humans and environment. It actually helps with digestion and increases the shelf life of durian. It also reduces food waste by using overripe durian. But why it falls under biotechnology? Tempoyak is a biotechnology because microorganisms are used to change durian into a preserved and also nutritious food.
Hi, my name is DBG. I'm going to talk about tuak. Tuak is a traditional alcoholic drink. It is produced by fermenting rice or palm sap for several days or weeks until alcohol is formed. The living organisms involved in this process are yeast and lactic acid bacteria, which help convert sugars into alcohol through fermentation. Tuak has cultural importance, especially in traditional communities, and it uses natural, locally sourced materials, which makes it environmentally friendly. This process is considered biotechnology because it uses living microorganisms, and modern biotechnology can improve tuak production by controlling fermentation to ensure better safety and quality.